Did you know that eating eggs the wrong way could actually harm your health, especially if you're over 60? While eggs are often praised as one of the healthiest foods you can eat, certain common mistakes can quietly turn them from a powerhouse of nutrition into a serious threat to your heart, muscles, and overall vitality. And chances are you might be making some of these mistakes without even realizing it. In today's video, we're going to reveal the biggest mistakes seniors make when eating eggs, and how to avoid turning this healthy food into a hidden danger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enjoy eggs in a way that truly supports your energy, mobility, and long-term health. You see, many people believe that simply eating eggs automatically provides all the benefits they're known for, like strong muscles, better brain function, and essential nutrients like vitamin D. But the truth is, how you cook, choose, and eat your eggs can make a huge difference. Poor cooking techniques, bad food combinations, and even skipping parts of the egg can strip away their health benefits. Or worse, introduce harmful compounds that can silently damage your body over time. If you're serious about staying strong, sharp, and independent as you age, you'll want to pay close attention to these common egg mistakes and the simple swaps that can help you get all the benefits without the hidden risks. Let's dive right in. Mistake number 1: overcooking eggs. It's easy to think that cooking your eggs until they're thoroughly firm is the safest way to prepare them. But for seniors, overcooking eggs can quietly rob you of the nutrients you need, and even create harmful compounds that do more damage than good. When you overcook eggs, whether by boiling them too long, frying them until the edges turn brown, or scrambling them until they're rubbery, you're not just changing their texture. You're actually destroying delicate nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin D, and several B vitamins that your body desperately needs to stay energized, protect your bones, and keep your muscles strong. Even worse, overcooking the yolk causes the cholesterol inside the egg to oxidize. Oxidized cholesterol has been linked to inflammation inside blood vessels, a major risk factor for heart disease, strokes, and poor circulation. All serious threats to seniors trying to maintain strength and mobility. Oxidized cholesterol is very different from the natural, healthy cholesterol found in properly cooked eggs. Instead of supporting your cells and hormones, it triggers harmful chemical reactions that can weaken artery walls and restrict blood flow, making it harder for your muscles, including those in your legs, to get the oxygen and nutrients they need. So how can you fix it? The solution is simple. Cook eggs gently. Aim for soft-boiled, lightly scrambled, or poached eggs where the yolk remains slightly runny and the whites are just set. Low to medium heat preserves more vitamins and minimizes the risk of creating oxidized cholesterol. If you're hard-boiling eggs, keep the cooking time to about 9 to 10 minutes, just enough to cook through without turning the yolk greenish or rubbery. And always avoid letting your eggs sit in the hot pan after they're done. Transfer them immediately to a plate or cold water to stop the cooking process. Small adjustments like these ensure that every egg you eat fuels your body with clean, bioavailable nutrients, without the hidden risks of overcooking. Mistake number 2: eating fried eggs in unhealthy oils. Frying eggs might seem like a quick and tasty option, but the oil you choose can turn a healthy meal into a hidden danger, especially for seniors looking to maintain heart health, circulation, and joint mobility. The big issue isn't the egg itself, it's the type of fat it absorbs during cooking. Many people use cheap vegetable oils like soybean, corn, or canola oil to fry their eggs. These oils are high in unstable fats called omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids, which become easily oxidized when exposed to high heat. Once oxidized, they produce harmful compounds that trigger chronic inflammation throughout your body. This inflammation doesn't just make you feel sluggish, it silently damages blood vessels, stiffens arteries, and weakens your muscles over time. For seniors, this can mean poorer leg circulation, slower muscle recovery, and even a higher risk of heart disease. To make matters worse, some processed oils can contain trans fats, even if the label says 0 grams. These fats are notorious for promoting bad cholesterol, LDL, lowering good cholesterol, HDL, and dramatically increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems. The good news? You don't have to give up your beloved fried eggs, you just need to switch the oil. Instead of inflammatory seed oils, cook your eggs with healthier fats that are stable at high temperatures. Options like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, or even a small amount of butter can withstand heat better without producing harmful byproducts. A light drizzle of olive oil over medium heat will create delicious, gently fried eggs without compromising your arteries or your strength. And if you want an even healthier option, try poaching or soft boiling your eggs. No added fat needed, and the nutrients stay fully intact. Remember, it's not just about the egg, it's about everything that comes with it. Making smarter choices about how you cook can protect your circulation, support your muscles, and keep you feeling stronger every day. Mistake number 3, skipping the yolk. For years, people were told to avoid egg yolks because they were too high in cholesterol. This led many seniors to believe that eating only egg whites was the healthiest option. But in reality, skipping the yolk might be one of the worst mistakes you can make, especially if you want to protect your strength, memory, and vitality as you age. The yolk is where the majority of an egg's nutrients are found. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs for muscle health, brain function, and immune support. Here's what you're missing if you toss the yolk. Vitamin D, critical for bone strength, immune defense, and reducing inflammation. Choline, an often overlooked nutrient that supports memory, cognitive function, and healthy nerve signaling. Vitamin B12, vital for energy production and maintaining healthy blood cells. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthine. These protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and reduce oxidative stress throughout the body. Healthy fats, needed to absorb fat-soluble vitamins and maintain hormonal balance, muscle recovery, and overall vitality. By discarding the yolk, you're not only throwing away these crucial nutrients, you're also missing the natural balance of protein and fat that makes eggs a powerful, sustaining food. And here's another important point. The cholesterol found in egg yolks doesn't automatically raise blood cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, research now shows that for the majority of individuals, eating whole eggs can actually improve your cholesterol profile by increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. If you're worried about heart health, it's more important to focus on reducing processed foods and inflammatory oils, rather than cutting out nutrient-dense yolks. So next time you crack an egg, keep the yolk in. Enjoy it, knowing that you're fueling your muscles, sharpening your mind, and nourishing your body with one of nature's best multivitamins. Eating the whole egg, yolk and all, can be a simple but powerful way to support healthy aging, better balance, and stronger legs without reaching for a supplement bottle. Mistake number 4, eating too many processed egg products. While whole eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, processed egg products can be a different story entirely. And for seniors aiming to protect their heart, muscles, and overall health, this is a hidden danger worth knowing about. Processed egg products include things like liquid egg substitutes, pre-cooked frozen egg patties, and shelf-stable egg mixes, often found in cartons or fast food meals. These might seem convenient, but they often contain additives, preservatives, and chemical stabilizers that can quietly work against your health. Here's why. Preservatives like sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate are frequently added to extend shelf life. While safe in small amounts, regular consumption can irritate the digestive system and may contribute to inflammation. Added sodium in processed egg products can be surprisingly high, making it harder to maintain healthy blood pressure and proper circulation, both critical for keeping your legs strong and your heart resilient. Artificial flavorings and colorings are sometimes used to make processed eggs look and taste more appealing, but they offer no nutritional value and can stress your liver and kidneys over time. Another major problem: processed egg products often strip away the most nutritious parts of the egg. Some substitutes remove the yolk entirely or alter the natural fat balance, leaving you with a product that lacks the vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats essential for maintaining muscle mass, joint health, and cognitive function. Additionally, the texture and taste of processed eggs encourage people to eat them with high sodium, high fat accompaniments, like processed cheese, bacon, or greasy breakfast sandwiches, further compounding the damage. What's the better option? Stick to real, whole eggs whenever possible. If you want added convenience, you can hard-boil a batch at home and keep them refrigerated for easy snacks or quick meals. Scrambling, poaching, or baking whole eggs fresh ensures you're getting their full nutritional power without any unwanted chemicals or excessive sodium. If you must buy ready-to-use eggs, look for minimally processed options labeled 100% egg with no additives, and always check the ingredient list. Fewer ingredients usually mean a healthier choice. Choosing whole, natural eggs over processed alternatives is a small change that can protect your heart, maintain your muscle strength, and help you feel more energized and resilient as you age. When it comes to safeguarding your health as you age, sometimes it's not about eliminating eggs, it's about how you enjoy them. Mistakes like overcooking, frying in unhealthy oils, skipping the yolk, or relying on processed substitutes can quietly rob you of the incredible benefits that eggs offer, turning a near-perfect food into a hidden health risk. Remember, properly cooked whole eggs provide critical nutrients for muscle maintenance, brain health, energy levels, and strong bones. By being mindful of how you prepare and consume them, you can protect these benefits and avoid unnecessary inflammation, nutrient loss, or cardiovascular strain. Simple changes, like cooking eggs gently, using healthy fats, embracing the yolk, and choosing whole over processed options, can go a long way toward supporting your mobility, heart health, and overall vitality. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future health tips tailored for seniors. And if you have a favorite healthy way to prepare eggs, share it with us in the comments below. You might inspire someone else to make a life-changing upgrade to their meals too. Stay strong, stay informed, and keep moving forward.